The best practices for maintenance start by recognizing that maintenance is going to be what you're spending the majority of your time on if you're a software developer. Most development is maintenance. That means you need to plan for it and staff for it. Often in industry, the part of maintenance that's planned for is the new features. But it's just as important to make sure that staff time is set aside to fix problems with the previous feature to avoid a death spiral that involves spending all the developer's time fixing bugs on the last feature, which makes the current feature late, which piles up technical debt by skipping steps to meet the release, which means that on the release after that you have even more bugs to fix. You should always set aside time in every development cycle for high-priority bug fixes on previous releases, and if those don't have to happen, have a couple backup features that you slide in, resources permitting. Make sure you keep up with your technical debt payments. Always set aside time in the development cycle to repay technical debt as well as to fix previous bugs. The big pitfalls for software maintenance are mostly not allocating time for bugs, maintenance, and technical debt. Everyone wants to concentrate on new features, but it should not be a surprise when a bug in a previous release needs attention. That's going to happen. You should plan for it. And with set-aside time not actually spent fixing bugs, you should be going and finding technical debt to repay so you don't go down into a death spiral. Another maintenance pitfall is evaluating programmers only on their ability to do clean sheet development. That's clearly what's emphasized in colleges and programmer training, but the fact of the matter is most programmers spend most of their time touching other people's code, and that should be a skill that you really evaluate when you're hiring programmers.